Hi guys, here we are in 𝗘𝘅𝗰𝗹𝘂𝘀𝗃 at the very top of the back end of Sotogrande in this beautiful new house that's just been launched. And with me is Heidi Gubbins from Heidi Gubbins Interiors in Marbella, who will tell you a little bit about how this house could be potentially decorated and brought to life. Okay, we have a beautiful white canvas at the moment, something that would be able to decorate in a beautiful manner, I'm sure.
My name is Heidi Gubbins. I'm here in Sotogrande today visiting a newly built house exclusive to 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗋. I'm an interior designer, so I'm just going to talk a little bit about what I would do if I were doing the decorating of this house. So I'm here in the dining room. It's a very nice and cozy dining room with beautiful natural light. I would work with natural elements. As you all know, I love greenery and plants. So I would put some nice big pots and plants here to kind of create an element of intimacy in the dining space. And as an option, I would also put some nice foils so that in the evening you can close them and feel a bit more private. The nice thing about this house is that it has very tall ceilings and big wall space, so I would use nice big artwork for focal points. Coming into the lounge, you've got these angles that you can play with as well. So, and what the architect wanted is that wherever you are in the house, you can always peek outside and see what's going on. So I would actually create a space that respects that. Here I would put some nice big sofa, comfortable and plush, to give you that very natural feeling. I would also opt for a vintage rug because I think that makes a nice contrast against very modern architecture. And on this side, because of the view, as you can see, you've got a view to the pool, view to the valley. I would put a very nice love seat with a swivel option so that you can either be watching TV or just really enjoying the view. And in this little niche, I would think about putting some shelves and then displaying family pictures, accessories, things that you really love to make the space feel very warm and cozy as well, but still keeping it to a nice, clean design. So at a first glance, these are my main ideas. But as with every client has their own inspiration for a space. And so what I like to do, I like to brief my clients and get a better understanding of what they like and what they don't like. And visiting the space at different times of the day. And then you also get to see how the light is affecting the space and what you would use as far as color, pattern, and materials. So I'm very happy that I came today. And thank you very much for having me. And if you would like to have any more information about what I do, please visit my website. It's